These have been difficult times indeed. This disease have overstretched the limits of our resilience as a country. However, it has not managed to break our resilience. It has not managed to break the cord and unity that binds us as a nation. I am truly convinced that in the fullness of time, we shall overcome this virus and even come out much stronger than we were before. In every testing time, something always good comes out of it. There is a silver lining, and in the fullness of time, we will see what the silver lining in this pandemic might be. We are not yet out of the woods. Indeed, it looks like we are getting more and more into the woods. The fight against disease has proven that it is a marathon rather than a sprint. As you are aware, and from our daily briefings, we have informed you that the disease is firmly rooted now within our communities. In fact, the level of spread in our villages and our estates and in our homes has become clearer from our targeted testing that was rolled out a couple of weeks ago. This means that we cannot afford to relent in this fight if we must safeguard the lives of our people. Fellow Kenyans, today we continue to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. We celebrate our partnership with GAVI. GAVI, the Global Vaccine Alliance, was founded in the year 2001, bringing together public and private sectors globally to improve access to new vaccines for children in developing countries. To date, GAVI has supported Kenya with over shillings 50 billion grant aid in the form of vaccines and 6 billion in direct cash support. The success of immunization facilitation by these assistance have led to tremendous improvement in child survival rates in our country, keeping the promise of a prosperous and healthy nation as we safeguard our children. We need to keep our children safe from killer diseases. His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta in 2019 took up the role of GAVI champion in support of GAVI replenishment. It is due to his commitment to immunization and improving the lives of children and his leadership in the global movement of universal health coverage that he is now championing GAVI replenishment. This afternoon, from 3 p.m., His Excellency the President will join key world leaders in the GAVI Global Summit, Vaccine Summit 2020, hosted by the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom of Great Britain, the Right Honorable Boris Johnson. His Excellency will seek to inspire greater leadership and resource allocation towards ensuring a successful replenishment of GAVI's program for 2020 to 2025 with at least a desired contribution of $7.4 billion to immunize an additional 300 million children in developing countries. Further, he will engage on the importance of accelerating local manufacturing of vaccines and access to a future COVID-19 vaccine.